What's up YouTube, it's me, Barry Carmidas, back again with another video, and today I'll be reviewing my newest cop, the Yeezy V2 Lundmark. So today was a very successful day. I won a raffle on the Footaction app, and I went to go pick up these puppies up today. You know, I was basically done with the V2 model because Adidas has been flooding the market with V2 models, but this colorway, me personally, is my favorite. It's my favorite out of all V2 models because it's a perfect match with my fur and my skin, so I had to cop them. These remind me a lot of the Sesame V2s that came out months ago, so if you missed out on those like I did, you gotta cop these now before prices shoot up. So the shoes are this creamy white color, just like the color of my fur. And then you can see over here, it has this see-through netting like all V2s are coming out with. And like I said in my previous video, fellas, you better be wearing some clean socks or else them ladies gonna see them dirty socks, boy. And you can see the reflective 3M laces on the uppers right there, which is pretty cool. So Adidas decided to give it a little change on the V2s by removing the pull tabs on the back. To me, I prefer the pull tabs on the back, but last time I was on a date with this mighty fine black bear and my pull tab got stuck on something and it ripped off and I fell on my face and it was pretty embarrassing. But I'll be rocking these and I don't have to worry about that anymore. So here are the bottom of the shoes. The color is like this light peachy color. These are kind of different from the Sesames. I believe the Sesames were this brownish color while these are a light peachy color. This is how I'll rock the V2s. I like the laces out like this. It gives it a more swaggier look. But people are rocking them like this nowadays. That is just a no-go to me. You gotta get the swaggy. Alright guys, so that's an overview of the Yeezy V2 Lundmarks. I don't know why I always say landmark. So like I said before, if you want these, you better get them now before prices shoot up. Because it seems like every sneaker is going up nowadays. Just like my hairline keeps on going up. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video, please. My next video is going to be a Nike unboxing. I had a delayed shipment, but hopefully UPS comes in clutch this week. So thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, Barry out.